Hi guys, welcome to my tech channel. This is my first video, so it would be much appreciated if you guys be supportive and ignore some of my mistakes. That being said, let's get to the review of Redmi 6. Redmi 6 is the 2018's budget phone from Xiaomi and the successor of the last year's Redmi 5. Let's take a look at the specifications of Redmi 6. The Redmi 6 comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor with clock speeds up to 2 GHz. It has a 3GB RAM, 32 or 64GB storage option, a 5.45-inch IPS LCD HD Plus panel with 18:9 aspect ratio. It has a 12+5MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera with portrait mode. It has 3000 mAh battery, dual 4G SIM support, face unlock, fingerprint unlock, and comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. Now let's do a quick unboxing of the Redmi 6. The box contains the phone itself, some paperwork, a 5V 1A charger, USB cable, and a SIM card ejector. Like always, Xiaomi being Xiaomi doesn't include any earphones. Also, there is no IR blaster in this year's Redmi 6. Now, out of the box, the Redmi 6 runs on MIUI 10 based on Android 8.1 Oreo with September 2018's Android security patch. The display is 5.45-inch IPS LCD HD Plus panel with useful features like double tap to wake and raise to wake features. It also contains full screen gestures and the new multitasking based on MIUI 10. Now, coming to the cameras, the Redmi 6 has 12+5MP rear cameras with flash and a 5MP front camera with portrait mode. The rear cameras on Redmi 6 can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Here are some of the shots from the rear camera. The portrait shot seems to be good for its price range. Here is a portrait shot from the front camera. The Redmi 6 has EIS or Electronic Image Stabilization, which reduces the shakiness of the footage recorded from its rear cameras. Here are some of the sample footages shot from Redmi 6's rear cameras. The fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone unlocks the phone pretty quick. And the face unlock is also pretty fast, but less secure. The rear loudspeaker is not so loud, but it is okay, it gets the job done. Coming to the graphics performance, the Redmi 6 can handle PUBG pretty well. The default setting is set to be low and the game supports still medium setting. The gameplay is still smooth with some lags here and there. Coming to the battery, this is where I felt a little let down. The 3000 mAh battery is coupled with Xiaomi's bug-filled software. The battery lasts 1 to 1.5 days with light usage, and as you can see in the above screenshot, an app called Sensor Hub Test often seems to be running, and also the Android system will be awake all the time, resulting in the poor battery life. The Redmi 6 costs Rs 8499 for 3GB RAM 32GB storage variant and Rs 9499 for 3GB RAM 64GB storage variant. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.